Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to Crypto Squid, your go-to channel for all things crypto. I'm Kevin, your guide on this thrilling journey through the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. Here at Crypto Squid, we cover it all, from small cap gems to high-profile projects, meme tokens that make you laugh, and NFT ventures that push the boundaries of creativity and more. In this video, I'll explain this wonderful platform called MEXC. Whether you're a seasoned trader, a curious investor, or just someone looking to stay informed about the latest trends, this channel is for you. Join me as we navigate the waves of the crypto sea and uncover hidden treasures together. Now, before we dive in, it's important to note that I'm not a professional analyst. My insights are based on research, experience, and my own personal opinions. So if you're ready to dive deep into the world of crypto, hit that subscribe button and join the Crypto Squid community today. So let's dive into MEXC with their October Fiat welcome gift. So again, you can find this down below in the description. Earn 10 USDT airdrop with Fiat and peer-to-peer. Kickstart your crypto journey with a $10 airdrop. Just deposit and go. So again, this is running for the month of October. So you need to act quickly on this one. And it is available for new users only, but it's very simple to get this 10 USDT airdrop. So claim your reward in these simple steps. First, register. Click the register now button above to join the event. Of course, you have a link to the webpage in the description. Then simply deposit. Deposit a minimum of $100 using Fiat Gateway or peer-to-peer trading. Trade any amount in either spot or futures. And once this has been completed here, we can see earn. Unlock a 10 USDT airdrop once you complete these above steps within 7 days of registration. So again, super easy. Just sign up to MEXC, complete a Fiat or peer-to-peer deposit of over $100, and then just do any amount on trading or spot, and you'll get a 10 USDT airdrop. So this is a simple 10% return or $10 for free from MEXC to a new user, which is incredible. And again, this is a great platform. MEXC is one of the top crypto trading platforms out there. So many features, low fees, and of course, all of these events that you do offer is great. So it's super easy to deposit onto the platform. Here we can see, ready to kickstart your crypto journey with MEXC. Now's your chance to earn rewards just by depositing with Fiat or peer-to-peer. So these two subtasks, of course, sign up to MEXC, and then we can see here, complete your first deposit of 100 USDT, and you need to trade just 1 USDT. So for example, you can simply deposit 100 USDT and then change $1 from USDT into USDC or Bitcoin or literally anything. Just complete one trade within 7 days of registering, and you will get this 10 USDT bonus onto your account. And of course, after you add this to your account, you can keep your rewards, and you of course can just withdraw your principal, keep trading on the platform, invest on the platform. Again, MEXC is the best place to kickstart your crypto journey here. So many features, and let's take a look at some of this here. So why choose MEXC's Fiat Gateway and peer-to-peer? MEXC offers a fast, secure, and cost-effective Fiat on-ramp, whether you prefer traditional payment methods or peer-to-peer transactions. So again, flexible payment options supporting credit and debit cards, bank transfers, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Fiat deposits, and peer-to-peer trading. They have top and trending tokens available, so you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, USDC, XRP, and the latest trending tokens instantly via all Fiat channels. So it doesn't matter which Fiat currency you deposit on, which is great. We've got low fees, great rates, and local access. Enjoy zero peer-to-peer fees, competitive exchange rates, local currency support, and real-time pricing with no hidden costs. And it's secure and reliable, with the 24/7 protection and 99.9% anti-fraud success rate. MEXC has it all for you. So you have some quick terms and conditions here, but it's super simple to sign up and do a deposit. Simply click the link down below in the description, hit register now. You can log in with an email address or sign up with an email address or a mobile phone number, or alternatively, you can do a one-click login with Google, Apple, MetaMask Web3 wallet, or even Telegram here. So there's no excuse. If you're not an MEXC user already, sign up today, deposit 100 USDT worth or dollars worth, trade anything. It can just be a simple spot purchase, and then you will earn that 10 USDT airdrop. So again, use my link down below in the description. I hope you all have enjoyed this one today. You have been watching the Crypto Squid YouTube channel, and I will see you all next time.